this is Betty and welcome back to another video. I am here to share my project for the Christmas All Year collaboration 2024, as well as the 3D Sundayz collaboration. So I'm doing a 2-for-1 today. Christmas All Year is myself and other crafty ladies that are trying to get a jump start on our Christmas crafting. And we are coming on every second Sunday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. And we share a project with all of you. There is a hashtag as well as a playlist for this collaboration, and that information will be down in the description box below, as well as all of the participants for the Christmas All Year collaboration. Now, the second collaboration is the 3D Sundayz collaboration, where we usually come on every Sunday at 6 p.m. But on the second Sundays, we'll be showcasing the 3D Sundayz as well as the Christmas All Year project. This is the collaboration that I'm doing with my good friend Markeisha, who is Sweet Papery Treasures here on YouTube. There is also a hashtag as well as a playlist for this collaboration as well, and that information will be down in the description box below. If you guys want to participate in either collaboration, just use the hashtags and post your project so that I can find your video. If you would like to join my crafty YouTube family, you may do so by subscribing and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram at ScrapPassion01, so you can check me out over there as well. And don't forget to like the video to support my channel, you guys. Here is the die set that I played with and created a 3D project. This is the Holiday House by Griffin. So my whole thing this year is I'm trying to pull out things that I have not used, and so that's one of my goals. And so I have never pulled this die set out, and I wanted to create with it. So whenever you purchase like the craft box, this die was a part of the Holiday Open House craft box. Whenever you purchase one of Anna Griffin craft box, on her website, you can go on her website and she has what is called finishing school videos of tutorials. I went on her website and signed up for the Holiday Open House craft box finishing school tutorials, and I've been wanting to create this project for quite some time, so it was time to check it off of my to-do list. So what I created was the it's called the Golden Gift Box. So that's what I put together, you guys. Her tutorials are so good. You're going to be blown away by the project I shared just from using this die set. All right, so let me share my project with you. And here is my project right here. I created this cute little holiday house gift box. Please excuse the glare, you guys, because this is the Blue Ice mirror cardstock, so it does have This was so much fun to put together, you guys. So I'm going to remove the ribbon here shortly and share with you the gift box or the box feature that is at the bottom. But here it is. I'm using one hand, and it has the holiday house on all sides of the gift box. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So I'm going to remove the ribbon and let you see the box feature that's at the bottom. The box is here on the bottom, as you can see here, and I'm going to remove the ribbon so that you can see the box. Let me remove the box. And here is the box, and you can see that it's really, really roomy inside to include a gift. It just goes right back in like that. Isn't that neat? I love that. That is my project share for you guys today. And make sure you visit the other ladies and visit the playlist for both collaborations. You know, I hope you get inspired by visiting the playlist. And I hope you decide to participate as well by using the hashtags to support the collaborations. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion